day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Tuesday, May 30th, 2023. It is 9:01 and 17 seconds, p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, laser cooking. So let's jump to it here. Now we are cooking with lasers. Date September 17th, 2021. Source, Columbia University, School of Engineering and Applied Science. Imagine having your own digital personal chef, ready to cook whatever you want, tailoring the shape, texture, and flavor just for you, all at the push of a button. Engineers have been working on doing just that, using lasers for cooking and 3D printing, technology for assembling foods. In their new study, they discovered that laser-cooked meat shrinks 50% less, retains double the moisture content, and shows similar flavor development to conventionally cooked meat. They've been building a fully autonomous digital personal chef, developing 3D printed foods since 2007. Since then, food printing has progressed to multiple ingredient prints and has been explored by researchers and a few commercial companies. They noted that while printers can produce ingredients to a millimeter precision, there is no heating method with the same degree of resolution. As cooking is essential for nutrition, flavor and texture development in many foods, and they wondered if they could develop a method with lasers to precisely control these attributes. The team explored various modalities of cooking by exposing blue light, 445 nanometers, and infrared light, 980 nanometers, and 10.6 microns, to chicken, which they used as a model food system. They printed chicken samples 3 millimeters thick by 1 inch squared area as a test bed and assessed a range of parameters including cooking depth, color development, moisture retention, and flavor differences between laser-cooked and stove-cooked meat. In fact, the two blind taste testers preferred laser-cooked meat to the conventionally cooked samples, which shows promise for the burgeoning technology. Researchers are excited about the possibilities of this new technology, whose hardware and software components are fairly low-tech. They note that there is not yet a sustainable ecosystem to support it. What we still don't have is what we call food CAD, sort of a Photoshop of food. We need a high-level software that enables people who are not programmers or software developers to design the foods they want. And then we need a place where people can share digital recipes like we share music. As food is something that we all interact with and personalize on a daily basis, it seems only natural to infuse software into our cooking to make meal creation more customizable. And this is the Professor on advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and later of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.